Alright, tech lovers, buckle up. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a beast of a phone, but here's the million-dollar question. Well, more like $1,000 question. How much is this flagship powerhouse going to cost you? Stay with me because we've got leaks, rumors, and insider whispers that could change the way you budget for 2024. Now, we all know Samsung's Ultra series sits at the pinnacle of non-foldable smartphones. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. But every time they drop a new model, the price tag makes us go, wait, how much? So today we're diving into the juiciest rumors, price predictions, and whether those sky-high costs could actually be worth it. Spoiler alert, it's not just about the price, it's about what you're getting for it. First, let's rewind a bit. The Galaxy S24 Ultra started at $1,299 in the US. And guess what? That's probably the best case scenario for the S25 Ultra. Why? Because the tech inside is getting even more premium. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And get this, the chip alone costs about 20% more than its predecessor. Tipsters say that's around $40 extra per unit. So if Samsung passes that increase onto us, we could be looking at a starting price closer to $1,340 in the US. But wait, there's more. Inflation is another factor, and according to reports, production costs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra have risen by a staggering $110 per unit. So, unless Samsung decides to eat those costs, and let's be real, they won't, a price bump is almost inevitable. What are you paying for? Here's the silver lining, though. This phone could be a major upgrade. We're talking a revamped ultra-wide camera, more RAM, a larger and sharper screen, and a sleeker, more refined design. Oh, and did I mention that this chipset will bring insane performance boosts? Think faster processing, smoother gaming, and AI features that'll blow your mind. If that doesn't make the price a bit more palatable, I don't know what will. Now, mark your calendars because rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 series is dropping on January 22nd. Yep, that's right around the corner. So if you're planning to upgrade, you've got just a few weeks to save up or convince your wallet this splurge is totally worth it. All right, now it's your turn. Do you think the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be worth the rumored price hike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you team take my money or team I'll pass? And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring the bell so you don't miss our deep dive when the S25 Ultra officially launches. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.